With the support from private investors originating from successful business families, a new approach for advancement of small and marginal farmers is now being tested in India and in some other countries. Similar to the self-help groups and cooperatives, the aim is to set up healthy business in handling, processing and trading farmers' commodities on commercial basis. The main difference of the new approach is that the farmers gradually gain economic ownership along with social conscious corporate partners and become equal business partners of the investor.
नया प्रयास में बोल रहा हूँ इसलिए है कि एक तो किसान इन कंपनियों में साझेदार है पूरी तरह से। इन कंपनियों का सारा लाभ जितना भी वो कमाएंगे सारा किसानों को जाएगा और उस लाभ से जितना पैसा वो इसका वापस करेंगे इन कंपनियों में जो रुपए लगा हुआ है उतने के वो धीरे धीरे मालिक बन जाएंगे। ऐसा करते करते एक दिन वो पूर्ण रूपेण इन सारे स्टोरेज और कलेक्शन पॉइंट के स्वामी बन जाएंगे किसान। दो इसके परिणाम निकलेंगे। नंबर एक, वो खेती पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दे पाएंगे और नंबर दो, जो पलायन हो रहा है गांव के तरफ से या बहुत मुश्किल क्षेत्रों से पहाड़ी इलाके जैसे है शहर की तरफ वो कुछ रुक पाएगा।
The farmers will only gain full economic ownership once the investment is repaid fully. No paternalistic form of aid, but a sound economic partnership between an investor and a farmer-owned company supported by experienced entrepreneurs. Along with a corporate business partner, the farmers set up a joint venture in the form of a private limited company based on a solid feasibility and business plan. This joint venture enters into a loan agreement with social investors and becomes responsible for setting up and running the business in a commercially responsible manner. The socially conscious investor in this case is SGHW, a family foundation from Netherlands whose aim is to contribute to economic development in rural areas in developing countries by bringing good marketing opportunities for them.
I'm a program manager of a foundation called